Hi everybody and welcome back to Bear Food
Kitchen!
Bear Food Kitchen! Yes! Hi everybody and welcome back to Bear Food Kitchen. Today we are having a backyard barbecue. It is a little breezy, and if you can see, I got my daughter here helping me out, Jessica.
Hi.
I had a little boo-boo going on. Boo-boo, it's a pun.
Stop.
Today we are making sweet tequila lime chicken thighs, and we are grilling them on the Traeger. Okay, so let's get started. We have,
Open it for you?
yeah,
You want to switch me spots?
we have, yeah, thanks. We have about 3 pounds of chicken thighs. They are boneless, skinless.
What are we going to put in first?
The first thing we're gonna do is we are gonna put in some lime. We have fresh squeezed lime. It's delicious. Thank you. And then we have some maple syrup. And you know me, I go for the real pure maple syrup. It's worth the money.
Oh, nice.
There you go. It smells good, right?
That's good.
Yeah.
I got a little bit on my finger.
And then we're gonna go ahead and put in the tequila. You know, take a shot of tequila. No, what? Hey.
You said take a shot.
I know. No, this is for our chicken later.
Okay.
And then we have some paprika.
Paprika.
We have some garlic powder.
Garlic powder.
We have some salt and pepper. It's all mixed in together.
Okay.
And then chili paste. Use your favorite kind. We have a little bit of sriracha going in. Now that's about a tablespoon, but you could go ahead and put a couple more tablespoons if you like it spicy.
I love it spicy.
You like it spicy, I know you do. And we have the honey.
Honey.
Get all that honey in there.
Oh, you know how I feel about honey.
I know, we love honey around here. This one is a honey-holic. That's a word.
I love that word.
Yeah, it's
That's
a
good
word. And then lastly, some cilantro. Don't forget the cilantro. And if you really want to dull it up, put some green onion in there. So this is going to marinate about 4 hours in your refrigerator up to overnight. So we have one overnight, and right there. Now the way we thought about this recipe is we didn't really have anything. We didn't want to go to the market, so we just dug around in the freezer, had some chicken thighs, and everything else was in the pantry, so we threw it together. Yum!
Yum.
So, is it leaking? Did you spill it?
It leaked a little
Oh, okay.
bit. It's okay.
So we preheated the Traeger. We're gonna go ahead and put it on the Traeger, and we're gonna flip it in about 5 minutes. And we're gonna make a glaze to go on it. So after 5 minutes, I'll start glazing it, and you'll see what it looks like. Go. Hi everybody, we're back in this windy barbecue day. And the chicken has been cooking for about 5 to 10 minutes. Woo! Look at that, beautiful. So Jessica's gonna go ahead and flip them, and then she is gonna put a glaze over it. And then in about 5 minutes, 10 minutes, we will flip them again and put another coating of that glaze. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. Look at the cilantro.
I feel like this one needs a little bit more love.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yes. Woohoo!
Beautiful.
That looks so good.
Looks so good.
Go. Okay, you guys, we're back, and before we fly away, I want to show you what the chicken looks like. Whoa! It is glazed to perfection. We checked the internal temperature. It is 165. And it
Just like ripped apart.
it's fall apart tender, right? Oh my gosh, it looks amazing.
Ooh.
Yum! Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
So I'd like to thank you guys, and I'd like to thank Jessica for, I don't know, for helping out today and every day.
welcome.
She's so helpful. If you like this recipe, give me a shout out, let me know. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and always stay in touch and be kind to each other. Thank you again. Bye.